I set the stage a lot because I think of the memories of my past, not only of my past, but I also think of the possibilities into the future, and how I can complicate it through the multiple identities I can identify, not only as I navigated from Italy to America, but also thinking about my own identity, my own within my own community, and how I sometimes felt like I couldn't fit in being African, but also being black, and in my community early on, but then finding my own space, and then by creating my own spaces and building community of people who identify with, um, the performance enhanced, the creativity of the possibilities of the future enhanced, and through that I use my family and friends in my work, but also I'm also a character in my work. Through those conversations, not only we're fabricating and reconstructing our lives, but also we are challenging but yet being sensitive to Afro descendant and Western portraiture, but also really crystallizing the moments of the black experience, but individualizing the lives that I highlight through my own family story and the conversations I have with my family and friends. Through the eyes of my mother and the grounding of my friends and navigating different institutions, I've gained the tools to not only stay and become an observer, but also, become a performer and really be myself as I'm understanding to be behind the camera as well as be in front of the camera.